Good morning, teachers and colleagues. It comes to present our action plan. Our plan was born based on the problem present in the community of Alerce, which is labor, domestic violence. We are going to present how you in international advertising and community support set aids in the set we want to support the people AFB make phone number with a wide bandwidth. As result, it was possible to reduce domestic violence. With the help of social awareness averting even though the number project was used to a great extent and with fuzzy effective help. My opinion, beyond this work, I believe the evidence analyzing both white observe the ease of both and the test number of cases can stop by helping people to realize what is help and time there are people who help and weapons can work with violence is possible. Good morning.